Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. So, today is December 26th, and we are going to do some gift haul because I got a lot of gift from yesterday from Christmas and going to do today, guys. Look at all these gift cards that I got from my co-workers and then my our customers, and then also have this. I have a full bag of gifts right here, guys. So we are going to open that today. Today is the 26th of December, and I've got a lot of gifts, guys, from my family, and then from my co-workers, and then from our customers. So we're gonna open the gifts at work. So this one, by the way, my dad gave it to me, and somebody gave it to him, and he don't shop at this store, so he just my manager gave it to me, and let me see how much. I haven't opened it yet. And guys, OMG, I got a Benjamin. So got a Benjamin right there. And my mom gave it to me. I got $25 gift card there, Visa. So that's a Visa card. She gave one more. Well, this one was long time ago, guys. I'm gonna use it this year. Seriously. OMG, guys, look, I got $100 again. Oh my god. Few holidays aren't a pain in the you know what. So my mom and I got an Amazon gift card, so I don't know how much inside or how much money in this Amazon gift card. So again, my dad gave this to me. Amazon, and then this one, our customer gave this to me, and let me see. Let's rip it open. So excited. Hey guys, another Amazon. Oh my, right there, $100. Let me see how much this is. It doesn't say how much, but whatever. But this one it says $100, so that's $300 now, guys. And it says have yourself a merry little Christmas, Alfie, Merry Christmas, and a healthy New Year. Card, and it has $25. Another customer gave this to me. I don't know how much in this gift card, guys. This is Apple gift card. Maybe I'll buy an iPad. No, I'm just kidding. I got a $25 gift card to Alfie. Thank you for everything. Blessings from our customer. Yes. And then this one from our customer Amazon, guys. OMG, look. I got $25 gift card right there. Another a light back behind the plastic wall. Thank you. Okay. From our customer. Well, actually I already opened it, guys. And look how much. I don't know how much, but it says 50 to 520. What? 20 to, I think that will be it. So if from our customers and from my parents right here, so I got a lot of gift cards and then cash. I have like another $100 cash, but I've already spent it, guys. So that's the money that I got. And then now let's open the gifts from my family. Alright, guys, so I have, oh, by the way, this one is also a gift. My brother-in-law's dad gave it to me. um Tito Noel, thank you so much. And then the beanie as well. See right there, there's like a writing in there, and I forgot. So I'm wearing. So I have this one. So I don't know what this is. So Wendy gave this to me, my coworker, guys. I bought a gift for them, but I haven't received it yet. I'm not gonna order stuff from that website anymore, guys. It's super late. I ordered like almost 2 weeks ago and I haven't received it yet. And Christmas just passed and I haven't give any gifts to my coworkers, guys. So this is okay. Ooh, OMG! Look at that, L'Occitane. That one is a good item, guys. L'Occitane. I don't know if you guys know L'Occitane. It's like lotion and stuff. And then she gave me a candle. It smells so good. It smells like sampaguita, guys, in the Philippines. You know the flower. Yeah, it smells like it. And look, that is candle and a lotion. My coworker gave this to me as well, so I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, nice. Oh, it's like a Christmas thingy, Christmas display. Um, I don't know how to. It says here fireplace. Try me. I don't know. It's supposed to lit up this one, the fireplace, but I don't know how to turn. Is this one? And then so much. I have so much gift, guys. My mom gave it to me. Look, it's a Batman. I think it's limited edition comic book, and it has a action figure, small action figure there. So I have Batman and then Superman, and it says page puncher. I don't know what it means. So yeah. So anyway, so that is Superman and Batman page punchers, guys. So my mom gave this to me. I got two gifts from Tito Noel. OMG. So blessed this year. I'm always blessed anyway every year. And this is my um, remote caddy, guys. So you can put all your stuff in here. You can put the TV remote or your pens, pencil, or whatever. And it's swiveled to 360 degrees. See, look. So that's the organizer there. Maybe I can put this here on my table here. Not yet. So this one from Tito. Wow, ang dami nilang gifts sa akin, guys. Si Tito and Tita. Look. That's my brother's father-in-law and mom-in-law. And let me just open this. I don't know what this is. OMG, guys. Look at this. Oh, it's a pajama, guys, from Michael Kors. Wow. Look, Michael Kors loungewear. Look at this. It is nice, guys. Now I have a pajama. Nice. So cool. They said when you receive a gift, you need to rip, off the packaging or something so you can receive another gift the next year. I don't know. Okay, last but not the least, this one. This is, but let's open it, guys. I don't know what it is. So fancy. Alright, guys. So I have this one. Oh, okay. It's kind of like a massage thingy right here. It says memory foam massage. So, okay, supposed to. put it on the chair like that, guys. So, and then there's like a controller here. Well, I have to plug it somewhere, guys. Use it in your car while you're driving, guys. And then you can plug this on, the cigarette thingy on the car. And then while you're driving, it massages you. So hopefully, I don't fall asleep. You know what I mean? So, anyways, I think that will be it, guys, for my unboxing, my Christmas gift unboxing, guys. And yeah, so thankful. I am blessed this year. So hopefully, well, always blessed every year. Hopefully next year again, I can get a lot of gifts. And yeah, so a lot of people like r- love me or something. Yeah. So, anyways, guys, thank you for watching my video and thank you for subscribing. And you guys have a good day. I'm gonna spend this today, guys. I'm gonna go shopping, especially today. They have like a after Christmas sale. So yeah. So thank you guys. Bye.